Alrighty guys, well I got Jason here with me, Redbeard Welds, and he's with weld.com, and he's the one that's been putting this Santa Maria grill together for Sam the cooking guy.
Right.
So they just showed up and we're gonna unveil the, I got the gold play button there covered up, and Jason's gonna take a look at it for the first time. You're gonna take a look at it for the first time, and hopefully you're gonna like it.
Well, I'm sure they will, man. I'm looking forward to it.
And then once we get it unveiled, what we're gonna do is we're going to get it mounted. We're going to mount it. You want it right here, correct?
Yes.
So we're going to mount the play button right here in the middle. And then we've also got a couple other little logos here, the weld.com and then the A-bomb logo that we're going to mount up here on the top as well. So if you want to go check this thing out?
Yeah, man, let's see it.
All right. I'm going to come around this side and I'm just going to let you.
I'm excited.
Let's see what it looks like, man.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
I like the stamp there. That's nice.
Yeah, we got the little hallmark, the A-bomb hallmark.
Okay. Oh, that's nice, man. That's perfect.
Awesome.
That's exactly what we were looking for. Thank you.
Well, I'm glad you like it. Hopefully it'll look good up on that grill there.
And sure will. Kind of. Yeah, man, that's gonna make it pop. That's gonna look good.
Sweet.
Perfect.
Yep, see what I did? We'll bring it right back down here and I'll let the viewers see what we did. Kind of explain what's going on here. So I did make you some stainless spacers as like just standoffs.
Right.
So that it's kind of not sitting on the tube. And what I did, you know, I got these 4 holes drilled and tapped, and then your design, you know, kind of changed, I guess, and ended up being a tube at the top there.
Right.
And then so we decided, let's just put 2 tapped holes in the center to mount it directly on that tube. And then I found these stainless button screws right here, and just to kind of cap those
seal it
off.
up.
Yeah,
okay.
Just cap off those threads there. So there we go. That's the
awesome.
I think it looks pretty sweet, man.
Yeah,
I can't wait to see it on there. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting her mounted up. How about that?
Yeah, man, let's do it.
Let me grab my scale. Put some marks in.
Oh, yeah.
Good. There's that. And then I've got another one that we can really use to open it up.
Got proto hammer. Nice.
Yeah. That spring loaded really helps get it started.
Right. I don't use mine nearly enough. If I get into like aluminum and all, I'll start.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to go ahead and move this over. All right, we're ready to drill.
I got a stupid question for you.
What's that?
That little handle the machinist uses, it's got like a little tail on it. You put it in there.
I was about to go grab it.
What do you call that?
It's a deburr tool.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
The machinist I work with, they call, one of them called it a wiggler. The,
Oh,
the other one called it a red handle.
Okay.
Like, you call it a red handle just because it has a red handle? He's like, yeah, pretty much.
Well, that's just the brand.
Right, okay.
Probably Shave It or
Okay.
So here's your,
Oh, geez.
this is your deeper set right here. You ought to pick you up some of these things, man, or get you a set like this.
Right.
These work really good too. The chamfer tool,
Run that in. Oh. No way.
it's kind of, this side's kind of already chamfered because of that step drill.
Right.
But go try that on the other side.
Cameraman, we need a set. Ready?
Pretty slick, huh? Rag and white.
All right, Jason, let's get some unbridled enthusiasm.
Yes! You weren't recording, were you?
Oh, of course I was.
Oh, okay.
What do you
That's
think?
nice. Yes.
I think it turned out pretty good, man.
That's nice.
Not bad for a manual machinist.
Right. No, that's perfect, man. I think it gives it that added touch of, you know, it was built by hand, not just punching numbers on a screen. I mean, we did a lot of this with CNC, but I mean, that's
Right.
just,
I think it's a cool way to commemorate what the grill actually is. Whenever Sam's using it, and whenever he has guests around and
Yeah.
friends, you know, they're going to be seeing that like, wow, that's a you know, sense of accomplishment right there. So I think it looked good. I like the standoffs. I think it turned out great.
cool. I think we got one more thing. One more thing we want
You do.
to show you. We reached out to Jason with Fireball Tools, been using a lot of his stuff on the build, and we went ahead.
Look at that.
We got your logo cut in with his water jet,
Nice.
and we want to mount them up on the corners.
Okay. You got the well.com.
Yep. Pick a side. Just go like upper left, upper right. Just
Yeah.
space it out. Just kind of tag it up a little bit. Mount them right up there. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'll get them drilled, and then we'll put them up here. We'll just clamp them.
Transfer punch.
Transfer
Perfect.
punch. Should
That's
be-
cool because that's what we used in the episode to do these. So like anytime I got like odds and ends, different tools, I try to highlight that in the channel and show that, you know, here's
Mhm.
something else you can add to your toolbox.
Yeah.
Just different, you know, things.
Okay. Let me find the drill. So you were asking about how do you figure out what drill bit you use?
Mhm.
So we'll use this chart right here. You see 1024?
Yep.
All right. So it says number 25.
bit.
Number 25 drill bit. So we'll just grab, let's grab this set right here. And go to a number 25. And I always just verify it. So it's a number 25. So that's your tap drill right there.
That makes my Milwaukee, my little Milwaukee drill bit set seems like child's play.
Yeah, this is a little bit more of the industrial stuff, and I like these indexes here. You know, nobody builds those anymore.
No.
You know, so you see it wiggling.
Yep.
All right, now watch for
Now
it.
it'll just true up.
It'll true itself up. Now I want you to watch it kick off to the side. See it? That kick off?
Okay, because it's running away from itself now.
Yep.
Okay.
But that puts you on the edge, and you're going to be well within 1/1000ths of being on the edge
Right.
of that right there. All right, so then we'll just use our digital readout up here. And we're going to move, yeah,
Okay.
just move it over 350. Quarter inch plus 100 thousandths there. And then do the same thing on this side right here.
And is this your x-axis, the y-axis?
This would be, yep, Y.
Okay.
Easy enough. important thing to remember about stainless, a lot of people think stainless is hard. You know, it's hard to, it's tough to machine.
Mm-hmm.
As long as you don't go crazy with your speed, and like when you're drilling holes, you just have to keep constant pressure.
Yeah, it's slow and hard.
You gotta be pulling a chip. If it's
Right.
rubbing, then you're gonna start making that hard.
You know, and that just basically crystallizes the material and wreaks havoc on your drill bits.
Yeah, and then you
or
can't
your
get
cutting
through it.
tools. Right.
Yep. Same. All right. Right there. I'm gonna
So
find.
you hit these really hard, right?
I try not to, because those cheapos, the tip breaks off of them.
That's what I got the Harbor Freight.
Uh-huh.
Their transfer punches are all right. Don't get their tube bender. I think I end up putting more of a bend in the tube bender than I did with the tubes.
Really?
Yeah, it was bad.
All right, I'm gonna go for it.
Have at her, man.
Now we just gotta tap them.
I'm gonna leave that up to you, because every time I touch a tap,
Well, hopefully today's not my unlucky day. Let me go get a tap wrench. Doing them by hand's always the tricky.
mm-hmm. Usually the first indication it gives when it's gonna break is snap.
You hear a little snap,
Yep.
a little
It's
crack,
too late.
and you're like, oh man. All right, we got success. Lining up.
Perfect, man.
Okay.
You wanna do that one?
Yep. Go ahead and other side we didn't really hit, but we just went on this one. The sirens are active tonight, man.
Yeah. That's Friday.
You get a little bit of rain on the roads.
Mm-hmm.
You hear a lot of them sirens.
Awesome.
There it is, man.
That's it. Step back and take a look at it. Nice.
What do you think?
Yeah. That looks good.
I like it. These were a nice touch. Big thanks to Jason for pulling that off.
Yeah, that was nice. Great work.
Well, we got it finished up. We got all the the play button and then the tags there mounted on there. Man, I think it looks pretty good.
It looks sharp, man. I like it. I like the finish that we came up with, especially with the matte. You know, it kind of flows. I like that.
The matte color of the stainless.
It's got more, and then with the hex head bolts you put on here, it pops just a little bit. It gives it a little bit more.
Industrial look.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like
I like
it.
it.
Well, you guys did a great job on the grill. You know, it looks fantastic, and I think Sam's really getting something special right here, man.
Oh, definitely. I think you'll be impressed with it.
So he's a lucky guy, but he's been putting in a lot of hard work getting that 1,000,000 subs. And,
Yeah.
And I hope one of these days my channel hit 1,000,000 subs, man. But this was a fun project, machining this and sharing it with all my viewers, and then of course collaborating with you guys. It's always a lot of fun being able to hook up with some other YouTubers and you know, build something together.
Well, we definitely appreciate you working with us on it. You know, we've thought about it. We're like, you know, we want to go manual with it versus trying to put it through a CNC, you know, milling process.
Yeah.
I think it turned out really, really good. So I'm definitely impressed and appreciate you, you know, working with us on that and being willing to do that for us.
Yeah, not a problem. I sure enjoyed it. So I'm glad you guys like it, and I hope you have a good trip all the way over to San Diego. That's a long drive.
It's gonna be a long haul, yeah.
All
It'll be
right,
worth
man.
it. All right.
I
appreciate
enjoyed it.
Thanks.